Photos is one of the most popular applications out there, and I wanted to give a quick breakdown on exactly how to use this particular app. Now, it's pretty basic. I think a majority of people have used an app like this before, but I'll give you a quick breakdown on exactly how to use it. First of all, it's a stock Google application, so a lot of Android phones have it. Most iPhones you can download on it as well. So to first get started with it, at the very top, you'll basically have two different icons. This is the most up-to-date version of Google Photos as of this point. So the top left, you'll basically see this little like photos icon right here, or this little like store icon. You can tap on it and you can go ahead and buy like books of your photos and prints and stuff. You really don't have to deal with it too much, but it's a cool little thing if you really want to get into it. The top right corner you can tap onto, and this little page is going to show you a little page with a bunch of your account information. You'll have your Google account here. You can choose a different Google account by clicking on the top. You can turn on or off backups depending on what you want to do. You can see how much storage is saved up on your particular device, on your particular account. You can free up space here. You can see how much data you have in Google Photos, your photo settings, and help and feedback. Now going back to the main page, here is just like a quick little like synopsis of different things that have happened inside of your particular account or like your Google Photos app. And this is actually really, really cool. You can kind of go through here and you can just kind of get an idea of all the different like things that you've basically seen. It's pretty cool. Now scrolling down, you'll see all the photos and videos that you've basically seen. So this is a pretty cool thing. It's nothing super crazy here for the most part, but you can see right here you have all your photos, and every photo that you have synced up within Google Photos or within your Android device, you should be able to see right here, which is actually very, very cool. So you can kind of go through here and kind of get an idea of exactly what's going on with your particular device and all the photos. Now we'll tap into a photo in a second, but at the very bottom you'll see a couple of things too. You'll see the photos icon. You can click on search right here if you want to search through different photos and screens and so many other things across the board. You can search for whatever you want to. You can also go ahead and get an idea of all your recently added photos and screenshots and different things like that. You can tap into sharing and you can see all the photos that you've shared within your particular account too. So any photos that you want to share or any albums that are currently shared with you, you can go and see them here too, which is actually very, very cool. So that's something that's actually very awesome. It's nothing super crazy, but that is an idea. That is something that you can kind of do here, which is actually very cool. Now at the bottom right, you have this library photo, or this library option. So here you basically see a bunch of things going on across the board too. So for one, you'll see favorites, you have your locked folder here, archive and trash, any photos that you delete, any favorite albums that you've created, or anything within your library, you'll see all those things right here, which again is a very, very cool thing to kind of see. You'll see your camera layout, download, whatever this thing is, and Instagram. So your albums will look like whatever, and if you want to create an album, you can scroll down and just click on create an album, and you can create a whole entire album right here. Now hopping out of here, going back into photos, if you want to, you can go ahead and basically see a whole list of all the photos you have. Now when you tap on a photo, it'll give you a few options. So for one, you can basically see the photo here. If you want to go ahead and sharecast this photo, if you want to upload this photo or favorite it, you can do those things there. In the top right corner, you can click on it and you can see this whole entire information list of all the photos. You can also get there by swiping up. Now, if you want to quickly share out this photo, you can click share in the bottom right corner, bottom left corner, and you can share this photo out to whoever you want to. You can also click on edit if you want to quickly edit up these photos. So there's a lot of things you can do within Google Photos to edit up your particular photos. So you can do dynamic, enhance, warm, suggestions. You can crop things out. Tools, adjust, filters, there's a lot of things here too, so you can kind of mess around with it and see how you want to edit up your particular photos. Hopping out of this one, you can also tap on Lens if you want to jump into Google Lens right here, which is another really cool thing. You can also delete the photo if you want to by just tapping on delete. You can just delete that photo right there, and that's another cool thing you can kind of jump into as well. So at the core, that's kind of how you use Google Photos. It's a pretty basic application. There really isn't anything super crazy going on with it, but at the core, that's kind of how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.